Welcome to our exploration of basic economic principles, where we dive into the fundamental concepts that govern our financial world. Today, we will examine three key principles: supply and demand, scarcity, and opportunity cost. Understanding these concepts will provide you with valuable insights into how economies operate and how decisions are made. First, let's tackle the principle of supply and demand. This fundamental concept is at the heart of economics. Supply refers to how much of a product or service is available in the market, while demand indicates how much of that product or service consumers are willing and able to purchase at a given price. The interaction between supply and demand determines prices. When demand increases, prices tend to rise, and when supply exceeds demand, prices usually fall. This relationship helps businesses make decisions about production levels and pricing strategies, ensuring they meet consumer needs effectively. Next, we encounter the concept of scarcity. Scarcity refers to the limited nature of resources available to meet unlimited human wants. Every economy faces scarcity, whether it's due to limited natural resources, time constraints, or budget limitations. Because of scarcity, individuals and societies must make choices about how to allocate their resources. Understanding scarcity is crucial because it influences everything from personal budgeting to government policy. Scarcity drives innovation and efficiency as we seek better ways to use our resources to meet our needs and desires. Finally, let's discuss opportunity cost. This principle addresses the idea that every choice we make has an associated cost. When you decide to allocate resources to one option, you forego the potential benefits of another opportunity. For example, if you choose to spend your time studying instead of working a part-time job, the opportunity cost is the income you typically would earn in that job. This concept encourages individuals and businesses to weigh their options carefully and consider what they value most before making decisions. A clear understanding of opportunity cost helps individuals maximize their resources and enhance their overall satisfaction. In summary, supply and demand, scarcity, and opportunity cost are three foundational concepts in economics that influence our decision-making processes every day. By grasping these principles, you can better understand not only the economy but also your own choices in a world where resources are limited. Remember, economics is not just about money. It's about choices, trade-offs, and the reality of human wants and needs. Thank you for joining me in this discussion, and I hope you enjoy exploring the fascinating world of economics further.